In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can convert between different currencies. On the left hand side, I've got the cost of a taxi in Russia and France, and I need to use the exchange rates in order to decide which country the taxi would be cheapest in. Looking at the exchange rates, we can use these in order to convert both the cost of the taxi in Russia and the cost of the taxi in France into pounds. By doing this, we then have a comparative value to then judge where the taxi would be cheapest. Within the ratio, the left-hand side always represents the pounds. And what I'm aiming to do is convert 27 rubles and 42 kopecks into pounds. In order to be able to do this, I need to look at the multiplier between 1.89 and 27.42. If I can work out what the multiplier is, whatever I do to one side, I can do to the other, and it will then convert £1 into the number of pounds that would be equivalent to 27.42. To calculate what x is, if I do 27.42 divided by 1.89, this gives 14.51. This is £14.51. The taxi would cost £14.51. Doing something similar to the French cost, and using the ratio £1 to €1.28, I need to convert €23.82. Doing the same thing and working out what the multiplier is, that I'll call y in this case. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. Y will equal 23.82 divided by 1.28. This gives 18.61. The taxi would cost £18.61. Now looking at the two prices that I've got, the taxi is cheapest in Russia. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So looking at the exchange rates, I need to convert 1 lira and 56 euros into 28 lira and 69 euros. If I can work out what the multiplier is and multiply the left hand side by the same multiplier, this will give me the equivalent price in pounds. To work out the value of x, 28.69 divided by 1.56 gives 18.39. The cost, £18.39. Doing the same thing for France, I need to convert €23.64 into pounds. So trying to work out what the multiplier is, that I'll call y. Y will be 23.64 divided by 1.83, and this gives 12.92, £12.92. Now looking at my pound prices, I can see that the book would cost less in France.